Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
I will explain the only reliable way to change the Gmail that controls YouTube. You must use a brand account and owner roles to transfer channels. First, sign in to the Google account that currently owns the channel. Next, confirm two-step verification is active on that account for security. Then prepare the destination Gmail account and enable two-step verification there too. Finally, follow the brand account transfer steps to add and promote the new owner account. Start at YouTube.com and click your profile, then Settings to access channel settings. Choose Advanced Settings, then click Move Channel to a brand account if needed. If the channel already uses a brand account, open brand account details in My Account. Google.com. Add the destination Gmail as a manager under People and Permissions. Wait 24 hours, then return and promote that manager to owner to hand over control fully. Sign into the new owner Gmail and verify access to confirm the change. If the channel cannot move due to limits or content constraints, you must migrate manually. Use Google Takeout or YouTube Studio to download your uploaded videos and metadata if possible. Create a new channel under the destination Gmail and upload the recovered videos with original titles and descriptions. Rebuild playlists, replace thumbnails, and notify subscribers with a channel link or community post. Finally, delete or privatize the old channel when you confirm the new channel fully replaces it for viewers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.